So hello, hi, and welcome to the Code Adda YouTube channel by me and Newton School. So I'm your programming educator. My name is Piyushkant Mishra, and I am a software developer in MNC. And I know trending technologies, trending programming languages like C++, Python. I have experience of almost 4 to 5 years in the Python programming languages and also C++. Yes, I'm a blogger, I'm a YouTuber, and I'm also a programming educator. Now I will tell you about the Nutanix school. So you will going to get a free quality education in this channel. We have a multiple YouTube channels where you can get a free quality education because YouTube is always free. We are going to launch a launch pad above for a Newton school where you can get all the videos of different multiple YouTube channels of Newton school on a single platform. Newton schools believe in a quality free education. We have collaboration with the 300 great companies of India, including Amazon, Microsoft, Flipkart, and all. And you have to pay only after getting a placement and placement with a 5 lakh CTC. So I'm going to teach you the Python programming language from code basic to advanced level where you can get a job in the Python, as the Python is trending one. So we will get to know about what is Python, what will going to happen in the full upcoming videos of the Python. So as I mentioned you that we have the Python for the Python, any fool can learn it. Yes, it is a programming language that can be learned by anyone. It's a very simple, very easy, and an English language programming language. So we have different type of programming languages, just like we have C++, we have Java, we have Python, we have JavaScript, we have Ruby, we have C. So these programming languages are quite syntax based and they have a typical syntax. But out of these programming languages, we have a Python where we don't have lots of syntaxes, lots of keywords, lots of symbols, just a quick English language, and you will get to know you can program different things. So this is a trend in the programming languages from 2009 to 2021. We have almost the 12 years. In the last 12 years, you can see I have mentioned three programming languages. These are sources: Stack Overflow, the Python is the blue one, Java is green one, and C++ is the orange one. So you can see from 2009 to 2012, Python is number 3 out of these, and Java is like a top notch. Every company want a Java developer. Every company wanted to get a hire with Java developer. We have lots of things in the Java. But after introduction of the machine learning and artificial intelligence and some of the new technologies, Python got a very sharp hike after 2012, and now you can see it is almost just like 16% of the Stack Overflow questions uh, are from Python, are for Python, right? And you can see that the Java is declining, and this C++ is also declining. So the Python is increasing, the trend of Python is increasing, job role of Python is increasing, like Python developer, data scientist, machine learning, and some of these things are increasing. So I have told you that what is Python, that this is the Python. Now let's discuss about what is Python. So you all know that Python, what is Python? So Python is a snake, as you all know that we watch Net Geo Discovery. So Python is a snake, but for the programmers, for us, Python is not a snake. Python is this is the programming language that we are going to learn in Python. So the number first point is a high level programming language. Yes, it is. Python is a high level programming language. It was first introduced in 1991 and is an interpreted language. It is not a compiler based, and simple English language with OOPS concept. Yes, the Python is a simple English language with OOPS concept. So this is all about the quick introduction of Python. Now, why you should we learn Python? What is the use of Python, and why should we learn Python? As the first point is, it is a trending programming language. It is used in multiple things. So first thing, as I have told you, that it is easy to learn. It has English languages, So yes, it is easy to learn. Now next thing is easy to teach. The lots of programming mentors, lot of programming trainers uh, find it difficult to teach Java, C++, but it is a very easy to teach someone. It is easy to explain someone the language, the code of Python, the Python code of 1000 2000 lines. And it is easy to understand, easy to teach, easy to explain. It is also easy to use that they have we have Python, and Python has less symbols, so it is, yes, it is easy to use. And yes, it is an English language, so yes, it is easy to understand. So the four thing: learn, teach, use, and understand. These are the four things that is quite good to learn the Python. Now, the Python programming language is a vast diversity. It is used in multiple things. So, Python can be used in web development, app development. We can make app websites. We can make applications with the help of Python. It is also used to create the APIs. So, yes, it is also used to create the APIs in the Python. And we can also use in machine learning, artificial intelligence. The best part to use is machine learning and artificial intelligence. Now, the Python can be used in the data analytics. Lots of data analytic parts also done in the Python. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things that we can do with the Python. Apart from this, we have also lots of things that we can do. That like web development, machine learning, desktop GUIs. We have libraries for Inter, web scraping, data science and visualization, software development. We can make software development softwares with the help of Python. Yeah. So the next thing is how to become a Python developer. Okay, now after watching this whole series, yes, you will become a Python developer definitely. Now I have a roadmap for you all. That first thing, that what we are going to learn in this, that Python language. First we need to learn the Python language, the base of all steps: hoops, concept, data types, loops and functions. Then we have to learn the libraries, some basic libraries. These are the two basic libraries in the Python, that pandas and numpy. Apart from this, we have lots and lots of libraries. There's like with beautiful soup, just like Kinter. These are used for the specific purposes. If you want to go with the GUI, then you have to learn Kinter and all. So we have lots of libraries, but we have to learn these two libraries, that are pandas and numpy. Next, learn any one framework for the web development part. Either you can learn with the Django or Flask or the Cherry Pie, but these two are the most famous one, that's like Django and Flask. So the first thing, you have to learn the Python languages, spend some time with the Python, then libraries and framework. So what we are going to cover, what I am going to cover for this you all, that we will going to teach, we will going to learn Python language and the libraries, these two libraries, the pandas and numpy, first in the 2 3 months. Then we will go over the framework. So what is the roadmap for our lectures, for the next upcoming lectures? So this is the the first one. We are going to stage 1, the Python basics. The Python basics are installation. First video will learn installation, basic syntaxes, variables, data types, type conversion, Python operators, and conditional statement and loops. These things will come in the Python basics. We will get. We will be knowing that what is Python, is syntaxes, variable data types, and these things will be practical one, not a theory, not something like this. Because I believe to teach the language in the practical way, those things that is required to be known as a theory, then I will introduce you with the help of this presentation, and otherwise we will only do the practice. Okay. Next thing is stage 2, that is data structures. Not a data structures like the array and all. The Python has a few inbuilt data structures, like lists, tuples, slicing, sets, and dictionaries. These are the 5 things that we will going to cover in the data structures part, and the 6th one is the booleans. Now after knowing stage 1 and stage 2, we will switch into the stage 3. That is the OOPS concept, the most important part of any programming languages. We have classes, gender, inheritance, lambda function, decorators. So don't worry if you don't know anything about these things, then don't worry. Once we will complete the stage 1 and stage 2, then we will move to the stage 3, and there you will get to know all of this information, all of these terms, and you will be familiar with that one. Okay. Stage 4, we will move into the file handling, then like read and write files, OS modules, and rename and copying of files, and zipping of files. Don't worry, don't be like Don't be confused to by these names. These are just the simple names, and the things inside these names are very easy. Stage 5, we will cover the libraries part, just like numpys and pandas. So we have 4 stages main, and the fifth one is the pandas and numpy that we will going to cover. Okay, so it will take around 1 month to 1 to 1.5 months to complete these stage fours. And what will be the video flow? You will get alternate days video, then like one, then next day skip, then second. So approximately 3 to 4 videos per week, and those videos will be around 15 to 20 minutes of per video length. More than 100 videos, yes. We have to. I have to cover so many topics, so it will be more than 100 videos for you all. Then once in a week, I will be going to take you the live classes, weekly live classes, and the language mode, the communication mode between you and me is only the English. I will teach you in English. Some of the Hindi भी चलता रहेगा थोड़ा बहुत. So English, and I will try to answer you all your comments, your queries in the video as well. Okay, so this will going to be the video, and I will also guide you. And I have already a pass out, and I'm working in a company, so I will tell you about the career, about the working in the companies and all. Okay, so this is all about our new channel, our new programming language, our new playlist, and our new tutorials. So if you guys like it, if you guys want to learn the Python in a very easy and quick, and you can say a fun way, then please do subscribe to the Newton School channel. Yes, the code Adda, it is the best platform that you will get to know with me, and we will be uh, learning Python. I will teach you and you will learn. So these things are going to happen, and let's join me, support me, and share this video with the first year student, with the student in the class 12th or 11th, those who want to learn. So this will going to be help a lot. Just subscribe, do subscribe. There's a red button, and just click it and subscribe, and do subscribe with notification, like, share, and comment this video. I will meet you on the day after tomorrow with the first lecture of our Python, that is the installation, how to install the Python in your Windows, in your Mac, and then we will start with the Python. That's it. Thank you one and all. Thank you for watching this video. Meet you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye, take care, and bye bye.